If you ever buy any templates in the market, they are going to give you a link so you can duplicate this template. Let's say you bought a template on my store. This is in the Life and Business template. So I normally give a PDF with the link, and I show you here how you can duplicate the template, and there's also a tutorial and everything. But in case you buy a template, they only give you the link. All you have to do is to click the link, and the template's going to open straight away. One can only, go through the template, but it doesn't let me edit. It doesn't let me do anything. That's because you need to duplicate the template so you can start using it. So to duplicate, you need to press here, duplicate, and choose the workspace you want to, and it's going to start duplicating into your Notion account. So here it is, the template's being duplicated, which means that now you can edit, you can add new tasks, you can, change things around, you can edit these images, you can do anything in your template now because it's duplicated. So that's how you duplicate any Notion template that you can find.